I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms feedback form from scratch. Start by opening Google Forms in your browser. On the main page, click Blank Form to create a fresh form. This gives you a clean canvas designed specifically for quick surveys and feedback, and it auto-saves as you go, so you won't lose your work. Next, set up the basics so people know what the form is for. In the title area, type Feedback Form. Just below it, add a short description to set expectations, like, "We'd love your feedback on our event. Please fill out this form honestly." A clear, friendly description encourages better, more thoughtful responses. Now let's add questions. Click the plus icon on the right toolbar to insert your first question. For full name, choose Short Answer. Decide whether it's optional or required. Making it required helps you follow up, but leaving it optional can increase response rates. Add an email address question with short answer, and keep it optional unless you truly need it. For overall experience, choose multiple choice and add the options: excellent, good, fair, and poor. Multiple choice makes results easy to summarize later. Then add a Rate Our Event question using the linear scale type, setting it from 1 to 5, where 1 is poor and 5 is excellent. This gives you a quick numerical snapshot you can chart. Finally, include a comments or suggestions question using the paragraph type. Keep this one optional to encourage open, honest feedback without pressure. For any question that must be answered, toggle Required at the bottom right of the question card. If you'd like to group related items, add sections using the last icon on the right toolbar. You might label them Section 1, Event Details, and Section 2, Feedback Questions. Sections make longer forms feel less overwhelming and guide respondents through a logical flow. Before sharing, click the eye icon at the top right to preview the form exactly as respondents will see it. Check that the wording is clear, the required toggles work, and the scale labels make sense. When you're ready to send it out, click the link icon at the top to copy the form link. You can paste it into an email, share it in chat, or embed it on a website, whatever fits your audience best. To review the results, open the form and click the Responses tab. You'll see summaries and individual replies. If you want to analyze further, click the Google Sheets icon to export everything into a spreadsheet for sorting, filtering, and charting. That's it. Your feedback form is live and ready to collect insights.